Alright, so we're going to set up the device in this orientation, and again we tighten up and tap her down until she's firm. And just lift it. I'm just going to bring that down, like so. Down, it's right on zero. I'll bring it down half a mil. As you can see, we've got the second half of the bracket almost complete. What we have to do now is mount that onto here, and you can see we can make it adjustable this way, and it'll also adjust up and down this way. So what we've got to do now is just measure in from the edges here, find centre, again measure in centre, and put our M4 tapped holes in. And once we have the M4 tapped holes in, then we'll be able to mark our positions on this one. Once we get those positions marked in, then we'll just drill that M4.5 just slightly bigger. We've got our 2 screw holes, and that goes together like that. You can see that like that all lines up, and now we can move that backwards and forwards. So we've got our adjustment in there that we need. They're giving me these little 2mm screws, which is basically to hold the servo motor on. Once you put the servo motor on there, put it around the right way, might work. Then that's sitting in there like that, and that whole thing now can either be adjusted left and right. So you can see you've got some movement in there. We don't need a lot of movement in that area, and this whole mechanism can be adjusted up and down, and the whole purpose is to get this actuation arm here coming onto the contact and kind of hitting that contact about centre. So that's what we're aiming for. As you can see here, they've got this cable coming out, and then that's just going to get knocked around a lot. So I've actually put a hole in the side here so they can bring the cable out through the side, and you don't end up with this pinching situation, as you can see here. So when that slides across, it pinches back onto the cable. So we've kind of negated that. The cable can come out through here and just move freely. That goes in there, and then you got your M4 screws I used here. They're quite long, these screws, they don't need to be that long, but that's what they gave me, so that's what I'm using. So I can put that down there. I won't lock it right down because all this will have to come apart again. And now you've got your adjustment, and it kind of locks in pretty well actually. So you make your adjustment to that side or back again, and we'll actually have a bit more play than that once that cable comes through. So we can do that, and now the whole thing can be adjusted up and down, like I said before, onto the main right plate that it fits to.